Hello there, it's Paul from Diesel Heaters, Australia. This new model I've got is called the Ant Heater, which has the brushless motor, which is lasts longer. The brushless motor is the original things. Show you. It's different motor, it's got 3 wires on it. It's made to last, the motor. And yeah, it's quite good motor. It's got better quality bearings, and outlasts the brush motor. Also comes with LCD screen, doesn't fade, which some of the cheaper models they fade. Also comes with auto shutdown and on and off when it reaches temperature, and it also has a remote control. It also has a quiet front, which is a good feature. Well, actually, people have in Australia about it, and I'm very happy. Better than the cheaper pump, which you get cheaper heaters. Also, I've got one here which I can show you. Turn it on. As you hear it quite audible, and yeah, it's noisy compared to the water pump, which is fed. By the way, I don't feed directly into the heater; it goes directly into the tank here. It's got the pressure on it, so it's a pulse sensation. Turn it off, and here it is. Right, these it's set on low at the moment heater. It's on idle. It's about turn on low temperature. Here. The balance too, the motor, so you don't get a whole vibration. And here's the quiet pump, very good quality pump. It's quite smaller, heavier, and solid, and it's so got different components inside. And it makes it quieter. Relies on the diesel, of course. When you notice when your diesel starts running out, it starts to get noisy. It starts running dry, as all pumps do. Also has the good quality filter. It's aluminium. In case you can service it. Also the fully enclosed ECU, and the better ECU, the altitude sensor, so now get high in the mountains, and have the nice here glow plug, which is far better quality, with the push on plug which goes into the heater, and of course the 3-wire sensor, which is more reliable than the 2-wire sensors, has the push on plugs, and of course the extra long wire length, much thicker, with the Anderson plates, of course having the fuse. We've got connectors on there. It's fully, you just plug and play in it, which you need to go, and all you got to do is on your heater, which of course, when you do it, you hold this button down here for 5 seconds, and that actually primes it. And then after doing it done prime, just connect the wire here, resets it, and do it again, and actually it primes the fuel line. And not too those gold, but it's a good feature on this unit. And there's the 5 litre tank, just the gauge on the side. Of course, I've got a good quality fuel line that goes with it, and all the cables, the clips, and the clamps, a whole lot. And yeah, it's a good package. It's $650, well priced, and it comes with 2 vents with about a metre of duct in, which is good for you install. And it comes with a good quality filter, which is good for dusty conditions, which the heater will last longer having this fitted. If you don't have a filter on it, shortens the life of it. It's just like if you don't have a filter on the car, you shorten the life of the motor. Same with these heaters. But yeah, you got to service these every year or so. And of course, underneath, good quality exhaust, muffler, and the clamps up here. I can see them up there somewhere. And yeah, it's well priced for the Ants heater. You can see online www.antsheaters.com.au, I have a website, or you just find me all over the web page, Facebook, in Australia. I'm located in Adelaide. Also have a mobile fitter that fits them. You need it fitted. He charges $500. It's well priced. He's a good fitter. out of a year or two, and also comes in the box. This is the 168 heaters. That's the one here. I also got a cheaper ones, a couple $100 cheaper, which don't have a brushless motor, which still just as good, but don't have a good quality wire loom on the cheaper one. Also, added features, I've got the in here, the tank covers, which you fit over your caravan. Stops the putting big dents in your tank, if you're in Australian conditions of roads. They do occasionally flick up stones on the tanks. It does protect the tank. But tanks are cheap to buy if you ever destroy one. They're not much. Cost like about $60, $70 to buy to replace them. They also carry spare parts and service them if they need to be, but the only time you service them when you're putting the wrong fuel on it. You don't keep the fuel more than 6 months in heater because it goes off. But yeah, it's Paul from Diesel Heaters Australia. Thank you for watching.